gentlemen, welcome into this elegant one-bedroom apartment in the heart of the Marais. Please, take a look about this spacious living room, very bright and recently renovated. On your left, you have a sofa bed convertible for 2 people. Beside it, you have a huge flat screen television with internet unlimited included. The details on the parquet, which has been recently renovated, give you the quiet charm of the Parisian taste. And as you can see from the window, an amazing sight on the roof of Paris. The structure of the flat itself allows you to be very quiet and independent. Here, on the other side of the living room, you have an American kitchen fully equipped with a big table where you can have dinner or lunch with your guests. And the space where you have everything from the fridge, a washing machine hidden just over there, coffee maker, toaster, kettle, dishes, glasses, everything you need to cook and live.
After this door, you have on your left an amazing bathroom composed of a toilet and a big shower with 2 shower heads. Also, on your right, you have a bathroom sink with a little mirror on the side. Then, following, on your right, you have a big wardrobe, and then the bedroom, composed of, as you can see, a big bed that can welcome 2 people, and another wardrobe just here. So you have a lot of space with these 2 wardrobes to store all your belongings to live your best life in Paris. Also, you have, as Marcello showed you, the amazing sight on the courtyard on which you can wake up to.